An AI coding tool just crossed 1 million paying developers. It writes code faster than any human. It catches bugs before they happen. And it is making companies quietly rethink how many junior developers they actually need to hire. Here is what is happening. The tool is called Cursor. And if you have not heard of it yet, you are about to hear about it everywhere. Cursor is an AI-powered code editor that does not just autocomplete your code, it understands your entire code base, reasons about what you are trying to build, and writes whole functions, files, and features in seconds. The growth numbers are staggering. From 0 to 1 million paying users in under 18 months. For context, that is faster than Slack, faster than Figma, faster than almost any developer tool in history. And revenue crossed $400 million annually, the fastest any dev tool has ever reached that number. Why is adoption this fast? Because it actually works at a level that changes how developers spend their time. Companies using Cursor report average productivity gains of 40%. Some teams report shipping features in half the time. That is not a small efficiency gain, that is a fundamental shift in how software gets built. Here is where it gets interesting for the job market. When one developer with an AI tool can do what 2 or 3 developers did before, companies start doing the math. Several major tech companies have already reduced their junior developer hiring targets for 2026. Not firing existing developers, but not replacing them at the same rate either. To be clear, senior developers are getting more valuable, not less. AI tools need someone who can review the code, catch subtle mistakes, and architect systems the AI cannot fully reason about. The demand for that judgment is going up. What is going down is demand for the most repetitive, entry-level coding work. The broader picture here is something the tech industry is only starting to grapple with. Software development has been one of the most in-demand career paths for the last 20 years. Bootcamps have built entire businesses on the promise that you can learn to code and immediately get a job. That promise is getting complicated by tools like Cursor. And the competition is not standing still. GitHub Copilot, made by Microsoft and OpenAI, has its own massive user base. Amazon has CodeWhisperer. Google has Gemini for Code. Every major tech company is in this race because they all know the same thing: whoever owns the developer workflow owns the next decade of software. The surprising take. The 1 million paying developer milestone matters less than what happens at 10 million. That is when AI coding tools stop being a power user tool and start being the default, the thing every developer is expected to know how to use just to get hired. If you want the biggest AI stories every week without having to search, subscribe. I drop these every single day. Also, if you want to make your own professional AI voiceovers like the one in this video, try 11 Labs for free, https://try11labs.io/emfhbfp3yum. It is what I use. Want to actually grow your YouTube channel? vidIQ gives you the keywords and analytics to do it. https://vdq.com/amaster, free to start. And if you want to go deeper on AI, books, courses, tools, check out what is on Amazon, https://www.amazon.com/tag=01210521-20. I will see you in the next one.